Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is our new HP all-in-one PC. This we actually bought for my dad who just turned 81. He's going to use this for Facebook, for eBay, for taxes, record keeping, that sort of thing. We picked it up online for a little over $400. This model is the HP 20. It's a C434 with a 19.5-inch display. So we're going to open it up and check out the contents. Then we'll set it up. It came in another box from Amazon, this one, and it does have a dent in it. So I always get a little paranoid when I see stuff like that, but we'll see. They're usually high density foam inside, and this looks fine. My light. So in here, you can see it is sandwiched with this form-fitting, very rigid foam that holds the computer away from the dented side, so that's good. Pull this out. This is probably cords. Next comes the computer top. Save these. I always save these too in case we move or need to ship it to repair or something, but here we go. Now the beauty of these is in their name. This is an all-in-one. You don't need to do anything special. You don't have to hook up anything else. It's all inclusive. Okay, now we're going to be careful. Got the plastic off. Looking at the bottom, I just see one card insert and the power button. So no other USB ports on the bottom. That's kind of good because they're always hard to get to. If we look at the back, we see an array. We've got two high-speed USB ports, two regular USB ports, the power cable in the middle, and a headphones and an HDMI cable spot, as well as some older Ethernet type jack. This one on the edge has a built-in DVD player, CD-ROM player, you know, something that'll take actual media discs. The first box has a corded mouse and a corded keyboard. White. Looks like a long cord. I'm guessing it's about a 6-foot cord. And the keyboard is really slim, low profile. I like that. Has the non-skid pads here. It's got a built-in angle. And just a really clean looking keyboard, full size, separate number pad, which I really like. And my dad, because he's 81, prefers this to something else. And in here, let's see what we have in here. Probably documentation and the power cord. So not much to it, really. Transformer and cord. It is a grounded cord. Right there. We'll plug in the transformer, and this again is probably about another 6 feet. So I'm going to go plug this in. We're going to set him up at our house in the library so I can help him with the computer. We'll do that quick time, and we'll power this up and see what it's like. As we talked about earlier, it's pretty easy to set up. Just the two USB ports in there and some clever design things they thought of. This is an antique table, but they actually have anti-skid and little protectors right here for the bottom of the computer. And 5 minutes ready to go. So let's power it on for the first time. Talk about the capacity or the capabilities of this. This is a HP 20 C434. It's an all-in-one. It's got a 1 terabyte hard drive. It's got 4 gigabytes memory, and everything should be Bluetooth and all-in-one. So we'll just have to put in a few things, connect it to the internet, and it's all Wi-Fi enabled already, and just put some data in, and we're ready to go.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows,